Rob Fraser here. This video. Going to talk a little bit about why I joined LeadsLeap and how it came along, and also go into a little bit of how to use other people's success stories in your own marketing. So first off, I wasn't even looking at LeadsLeap, to be honest with you. I've come across a guy online named Ed Keyte, a guy from I don't know, from the UK. He was living in Japan, I believe. Don't get me wrong. Mistake me if I'm wrong, especially Ed, if you're watching this video. But shout out to him. This guy has built multiple systems using the ideas, or some of the ideas I'm going to share in this video. And if you stick around to the end, you'll see the whole thing, how it works, everything. And also, he, using these strategies, has gotten, I think it's like 3,900 plus people signed up into his various businesses and his main marketing system by using LeadsLeap and these same strategies that's going to be highlighted here. So again, the guy has 3,900 plus referrals, personal referrals signed up into his various businesses. A lot of people using his systems, his giveaways, everything like that. And a lot of it has been created through LeadsLeap. And I'm going to just go into an example of what some of his marketing looks like. And he's allowing us to duplicate, to use the same things he's doing. And we can take what he's using, edit it a little bit. He's, okay with that. And we can use it to promote our business, or we can join him in his business. Or you can join me in my business, because I'm underneath him and a couple of businesses myself. So that being said, this right here is an example. This is done through LeadsLeap, and this is done through the free version. A lot of folks have been asking about my links. There's a free and a pro version. Free is free a month. Pro is $27 a month. And from what I've seen, it can hold its own with a lot of the other page builders and marketing systems out there. And I will say it's not just a page builder and marketing system, as there's other things to use. But at the same time, it's free, so why not just take it, use some of Edward's marketing genius here, and promote your business using his free rebrandable system, if you will. So the guy is very technical. You don't have to be very technical to use these systems, but this is an example of his types of capture pages and landing pages. And people eat this stuff up. So this right here, you'll have PDF downloads. This is the first page. You can opt in here and you go to this page right here. And so he has a video talking about what the system is. And underneath, it's all of his links. Obviously, when you get the free system, you can use this to redirect to your stuff. He also has the share codes here for the members. He has an email follow-up series. Now, the reason I'm really sharing this one is because he has a 5-day, he calls it a network marketing crash course. I edited the capture page to put 5-day affiliate marketing capture crash course. But what I have done, I did with what any good marketer would do. I copied this system, I went through his 5-day course, and I modeled it, and I added my own 5 days. So now I have to edit this page again and put 10-day affiliate marketing crash course. But you get the point. The idea is to use his story of getting 3,900 plus signups and being able to take advantage of a free system that you can then take and edit and model to your own business. So for example, this is his capture page. You can get the share code and throw it in your LeadsLeap back office. This right here is his landing page. So underneath this video, he's promoting LeadsLeap, obviously. He's also promoting Aweber and Team Builder Club, which is, I joined him in the same programs. So if you're watching this video, you can join me in those same deals, or I'm going to eventually get my pro membership and edit this page and obviously promote my own primary business on the back end, or my own high-ticket affiliate marketing system, whatever. The point is, you can do whatever it is you want to on the back office here. So you get LeadsLeap for free. You get his 5-day course for free. And then you can take that and his story of getting 3,900 signups and use that in your own marketing to get people to sign up for LeadsLeap, to get the same share code and marketing system, and then plug in your business on the back end. Also, with one of my businesses, I do promote some of the autoresponders kind of don't like it, but when you do stuff like this, you can kind of get around that issue. Like I was promoting a business, my one autoresponder did not like that business at all, but I made pages like this, and I use pages like this to still promote my business, but I send this page instead of my replicated business page, and I get around that every time. If you didn't understand what I said for the past couple minutes, then don't worry about it. But the main point is, you get all of his stuff. Also, a couple things I like about LeadsLeap. It's not just a page builder, because a page builder is a page builder is a page builder at the end of the day. Who cares? This one has this graphics. This one is easier. This one is drag and drop. This one is not. Blah, 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 blah. Don't care. It's all the same. But a few things I like about this one is you can advertise on this platform. You can write reviews for your main programs and post them on this platform. Every single day, this platform, I think, sends out one email, and you have a chance to get your write-up sent out to the membership database. No other page builder is doing that. I saw a person comment on one of my posts, I already have a page builder that I love. Okay, great. I'm not asking you to change it. The only thing I'm doing is saying, hey, you might want to add this to your online portfolio, because you can actually get traffic from this particular page builder. They say on average, each member will, if you're a pro member, will get around 1,500 clicks a month. That depends on if you're participating. So if you have an ad posted here on the platform, and there's lots of different things. You can, again, post your reviews. You can actually post ads here in the back office. There's also, when you surf 10 ads per day, you can get credits, which can actually be cashed out for cash. So you can actually surf other members' ads and either earn credits to promote your own ads, or cash those credits out for cash, or use those credits and pay for your pro membership. So it becomes free if you do decide to upgrade to pro. Me, I'm still at a free membership because I wanted to see everything that you got here and how I could use it, incorporate it, and be able to have a free thing to just give folks. Look, if you can't afford a marketing system, get a LeadsLeap account. Stop screwing around. A couple other things, and I also know Ed does a lot of these as well. PDFs. He's big on like PDF downloads, and in fact on this landing page I think there's a PDF for his follow-up emails, and then I think he's actually hosting his banner ads on LeadsLeap as well. Same things here. You can host these ads, different PDFs. You write a PDF that you want to give away as like a lead magnet or something, you can do that here. They also have something that's called pay-per-click earnings. You can take, if you have a website and you want to earn pay-per-click earnings, you can take ads from this site. You get a little widget. This may be advanced for some folks, but basically you can advertise members who are LeadsLeap members. You can advertise their business on your website and get a piece of that. Conversely, you can also run your own pay-per-click ad here and other marketers who are out there blogging or have websites or whatever, they can post the same thing on their site, and you can get traffic from many different places. So it's not just a page builder, it's a place to get easy traffic. You get your foot in the door with so many different things, and there's so much more. I'm not trying to make this video too long, but the point is, you can promote your business here. You can make share codes. You can take advantage of Ed Keyte's story of his 3,900 signups. And no, I say that, but with a lot of respect. I mean, the guy is a master at using this system, and it shows. His results show. He has PDFs for people. He has detailed courses for people, and he's giving the share codes away. He's giving away the farm for free, and he's promoting his business on the back end, which he's doing good. But he also said in a couple of his videos, you can edit this and use it to tell your own story. Just join us all in leadsleap, and you'll be good. So that being said, wrapping this video up, hitting close to 15 minutes here. Free to join. You can use the stock system that he has. You can copy his emails. Also, if you have your own autoresponder, like Aweber or GetResponse or something like that, you can use his 5-day course. You can take his emails and upload that into your own autoresponder. That's what I'm currently doing right now. When people come to this page, they opt in, they're going to get dumped into my Aweber, and then they're going to get that 10-day course. So if you're watching this video, and if you want access to the same system, or you sent me a message on Facebook saying, hey Rob, send me your leadsleap link, this is the video, and this link will be below. So opt in to this link. It'll be in the description of this video, and then you can just go through here. You'll get sent to either this page or this page, but the bottom half info is all the same. So I have yet to actually make my own share code for my particular deal, but you get the point. Rob Fraser here, wrapping this video up. Questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. I'm going to be cranking out more content with a vengeance, and that's it. Hopefully you got some value. Let me know. We'll see you in the next one.